Hello everybody, Toby here again. 216 Auto Restoration, the 1972 GMC Suburban, 3-seater, 3-door. My last video, I just sprayed the clear coat, finished doing that, and letting it sit. It's been overnight, so it's the next day. It's been probably about 16 hours, I guess. Close to 20 hours. I just wanted to give you a view of it now and see how nice this clear really laid out. Really nice. Not very much orange peel. There's a little bit of waviness in there. A little bit of garbage in some of these. The hood's probably the worst. Big flat panel like that, but I really love this House of Color Clear. It's the USC01. Just House of Color product is really good and very cost effective compared to some of the other products that are out there. Yes, it looks really nice. A little bit of garbage. Let me show you if I can point some out, especially in the hood. I'll get over there here in a minute. But this will all be color sanded, buffed and polished eventually here. You can see here a little bit of stuff right there. I put 3 very heavy coats of clear on here. Very heavy coats. If it was on a vertical panel, I would have definitely had to go quite a bit faster than what I was going when I was laying this clear out. Like I say, what a pretty color too. This House of Color stuff is just very vibrant. Can't wait to see it outside. It's gonna look awesome. Here's tailgate, part of the tailgate here. And that's Deltron. The white is a DBC Deltron 2000. Here's the hood. As you can see, there's some garbage in here. All peeked out. A little bit of stuff, but actually came out really nice. I said I'll be able to color sand all of that out and buff it and polish it and make this thing really shine. As you can see, you can kind of see some of the pearls, but not really, not with these lights here. There's a little bit up there maybe. And that's the first thing I've actually, I painted a fender and a hood. And something for a friend of mine, his kid wrecked his car, so I painted that. That was the first thing I painted here in my new booth. Sure nice to be in here, so much room compared to where I was before. Yeah, just a lot nicer. And the heated floor just keeps, the in-floor heat makes everything even nicer. But everybody, thank you for watching if you are. Toby again with 216 Auto Restoration, and it's a 1972 GMC Suburban. 4-wheel drive, 3-seater, 3-door. Perfect for about 9 passengers, a couple dogs, and you're ready to hit the river. All right, everybody, thank you very much and take care.